Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. I am also fine, students. Very good. Shall we come back to our lesson? The last chapter, 10th chapter, Tally. Okay, computerized accounting. In Tally, we have to insert the transactions in the computer, and automatically it will generate all the other records, especially the ledger accounts, then trial balance, then final accounts. That means the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, and some other reports also it will generate. That cash flow statement, fund flow statement, then analysis, ratio analysis, financial statement analysis, and all it will generate. Okay, so we have seen one practical problem the previous class. So by today I will complete this practical problem second also. We have only two problems there. Okay, so when the most probably the school may reopen after Pongal holidays, then we will see and we will do the problems in the computer. Okay, so today we will see the second problem, the practical problem second. I will read out the problem. There, in the first practical problem, what we have seen, the the transactions only, the newly started business. So he will start with the capital. Okay, so we have seen that type of problem. Now we will see the um, that already existing business. Sometimes we may be appointed as an accountant, so already he may be doing business and for many years, so the last year balance sheet will be given to us and the daily transactions also will be given to us. Okay, so first of all we have to uh, update the accounts with the existing balances, the previous year balance sheet items. Okay, so the following balance sheet has been prepared from the books of Bright on 1st April 2018. Capital, creditors, only one creditor. Machinery, furniture, stock, debtors, one debtor. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Then during the year, the following transactions took place. Wages paid, check, rent paid by check, cash purchases, purchase on credit from Santamare. Then goods sold on credit to Pushparaj, payment to Santamare by check, cash received from Shankar, then cash sales, depreciation machinery, then closing stock. You are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and a balance sheet as on that date using Tally. So sometimes they may ask for the final exam also. Okay, so how to write the solution? We can write the solution. First one, we have to create the company. That is the first step in the Tally. Okay, to create a company, we have to write company information. Then after that, create company. There we have to type the name as, what is the name of the company person? Bright. So Bright, and keep all the other field as they are and choose yes. At last we have to choose yes, so it will accept. Okay, then we have to maintain accounts only we have to do. Okay, for that one, gateway of Tally. Then accounting features, their general, in general maintain accounts only, it will come. Then we have to give yes. Okay, then it will accept yes. Then create ledger accounts. Now we have to create the ledger accounts with opening balances. Okay, because for the balance sheet. First gateway of Tally, then masters, then accounts information, then ledgers, then single ledger create. Okay, then we have to create one by one all the ledgers. How to create the ledger? First one, from the balance sheet, capital account. So creation of Bright's capital account. Name we should give us Bright's capital. Then which account? Capital account. Then opening balance is given in the balance sheet as 2,26,000. Then it will ask accept. We have to press yes. Okay, then Ramesh account, that one, Ramesh account under sundry creditors, amount 24,000, accept, yes. Machinery account, machinery, then under fixed assets, then amount 1 lakh, yes. Okay, then furniture, fixed assets 10,000, yes. Then opening stock, they are under stock in hand 20,000. Then Shankar account, they are under sundry debtors 50,000. Cash in hand already there, okay, no need to create 15,000, yes. Cash at bank under bank accounts amount 55,000, yes. Okay, like this. Okay, here we need to write the amount. Okay, name will be given. Okay, we have to type the name like this. Then under here which one we have to write. Then all the others nothing. Then amount here. Then accept, yes, we have to click. Okay. Here what they have given. Cash account, already told you. Cash and profit and loss account will be there. Okay, cash account need not be created. We have to change the cash account. Okay, amount. Opening balance only we have to enter. For that one, gateway of tally, master, accounting information, ledger. Instead of create, we have to write alter. Okay. If we need to do any changes in the amount, anything, you can come again to the same account and you can make the changes whatever we need. Now we have entered everything in the all the information given in the balance sheet. Okay, then only that closing stock. Closing stock we ourselves have to adjust. Okay, automatically it will not adjust. If we have given that one to adjustment, automatically it will do, because for the practically they will do that one. How the units, number of units they have taken from the stock, if we give the closing stock, it will automatically show how many units available. Okay, then we need to create ledger account for the transaction. Now we have created ledger accounts for the that balances in the balance sheet. Okay, items in the balance sheet. Now the first one, wages paid by cash. So that one, so wages account, name wages account under direct expenses. Then rent, indirect expenses, purchases, purchase only, Sendamarai, that creditors, cash sales and credit sales under sales account only. Okay. Goods sold on credit to Pushparaj, 25,000. So sales there, Pushparaj account we need to prepare. Then depreciation. Then all the other cash received from Shankar. Already Shankar account there. Okay, then cash sales, cash and sales there. Depreciation. That one depreciation we need to prepare. Already machinery account there. Okay. Then closing stock we have to make the adjustments. We have to make changes manually. Okay. Now we need to enter the transactions through vouchers. Again you become gateway of tally, transactions, accounting, vouchers. First one, wages of 2,000 paid by cash. Which voucher? It is payment voucher. Okay. Through vouchers only we will post them. We will enter them. So it is payment voucher. Account cash. Particulars wages account. Amount 2,000. Wages paid by cash. Accept, yes. Okay. Then next one, purchase voucher. For which one? Credit purchase and cash purchases. Sales voucher for credit sales and cash sales. Receipt voucher, cash received from Shankar. Then journal voucher for depreciation. Any amount paid contra entry? No, I think. Then here recording closing stock. We have to come like this. Gateway of tally, masters, accounts information. Then ledger, single ledger, alter, stock. Okay. Then closing balance. We need to adjust the date. Then amount also we have to make changes and then accept. Yes. See, they have changed that 120,000. We need to make the changes. Now, we have entered all the transactions in the computer. Now, we can generate the reports. To view the profit and loss account, we want to go account reports, profit and loss account. Then, Alt and F1 we need to click at the same time. We can do another alternative. Gateway of tally, reports, profit and loss account. Then Alt and F1. We will get the profit and loss account. Here net loss they have received. Now we need to see the balance sheet. Account reports, balance sheet, Alt F1. Gateway of tally, reports, balance sheet, Alt F1. We will get the balance sheet. Okay. Now we have completed the lesson. Now we will see the one word. Accounting report prepared according to the requirements of the user is special purpose report. Then function key F1 company features. Then which submenu displays groups, ledgers and voucher types. Accounts information. What are the predefined ledgers? Cash and profit and loss account. So both 1 and 2. Contra voucher is used for withdrawal of cash from bank for office use, which is not the default group in tally. Outstanding expense account. Salary account comes under which of the following head? Direct, indirect expense B now. 25,000 withdrawn from bank for office use. And in which voucher type this transaction will be recorded? Contra voucher. Then in which voucher type? Credit purchase of furniture. And also journal voucher. Which of the following option used to view trial balance from gateway of tally? Gateway of tally, then reports display trial balance. Then very short answers we will mark. What is automated accounting system? 328. Automated accounting system. Okay, this one. First sentence, then from accounting software packages. These 2 points. What are accounting reports? 328. Accounting reports. What are accounting reports? Meaning given. Okay, this much meaning. The last one, 328. Then your accounting reports. Then state any 5 accounting reports. That one meaning. Now reports. You can write this one also. 5, 6 given. 5 they have asked. What is accounting information system? The same page, 329. This paragraph. In this paragraph, 4th line and 5th line. What is a group in tally ERP? 334. Sorry, 4th one. What is accounting information system? 329. Accounting information system. this one. Okay, accounting information system. Up to here you can write. What is a group? 334 it is. Group in 334. 9 heading, 9th number. Group is a collection of ledgers. Okay, this one. Then groups here. Okay, this paragraph fully last one. Brief note on accounting vouchers 336. Accounting vouchers. Okay, up to here. Then, what are the predefined ledgers available in Tally? 335. Here, these two. Okay, cash and profit and loss account. Commonly used voucher types. 336. Voucher types. 6 voucher types given. Okay, all these 6 numbers you mark it. How to view profit and loss statement in Tally ERP 9 348. These two we can write. Either F10 account reports profit and loss account alt F1, then other one gateway of Tally reports profit and loss account alt F1. 5 applications of computerized accounting system 328. First heading. Okay, 6 available applications, you can write any 5. Okay, then exercises, this one you can do in the book, okay, by seeing the model problem. Then 2, the balance sheet and the sum of the transactions. Okay, same thing you can do if you have computer at home and that package is available in your software. Okay, otherwise the same thing, if they have asked in the question paper, you should be able to do what is given in the book. Okay, what are the shortcut, the keys that we have to operate to go to that particular company in Tally. Okay, so you have to learn the steps. Okay, how to go take account voucher, how to create account, how to create company. Okay, how to create ledgers, everything we should know. That you have to write as a step. How to go to that particular account type or voucher type, or to each one will be these two problem only available in either the newly started business or the existing business. Okay, in these two methods only they will ask. Okay students, we have completed all the 10 lessons. Now after this we will do the revision. Anyhow, you are going to face the examination either online or in the exam hall. Okay, so try to learn the question answers. Okay students, learn the lesson fully. Thank you very much.